What's up, you guys? Welcome to today's lookbook. I hope you guys are doing so good out there. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with your girl. So for today's lookbook, I've got 4 super easy outfit recipes that you could whip out on your lazy days or your chill weekends. Just something that's very casual and comfy, but you still look hella put together. Now, to switch things up a little bit, I wanted to do 4 different looks, but utilizing the exact same pair of shoes. One of my favorite go-to pairs any day, just running out of the house, is always a nude pair of slip-on mules. I probably go through about 3 to 5 different pairs of these a year, and I just think it's a great pair to feature during the summer to fall transitional period. So today's pair of shoes are from our sponsor for today's video. This is from Koolaburra by UGG. These are amazing, super comfortable, cushy pair of mules. Everything mentioned in today's video, including sizing, pricing, links, all down below in the description box, so please be sure to check that out. I've also got a link to the blog post in case you guys want to save pictures to your pin boards, and also loaded everything into the Like to Know It app in case you guys want to browse from your phone. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. Starting out with outfit number 1, I feel like this one's very classic and even has like a little retro touch. I started out with a button-down blouse. Normally I would do something probably plaid or very festive, but I thought I'd switch it up and do a nice floral blouse that's very sweet and feminine. This one's actually a short sleeve blouse so that I can wear it whenever it gets a little bit hotter during the day, and then layer up with a nice cardigan at night. Then for the cardigan, this one's gonna be definitely a repeat during the season. It's just a gorgeous dark caramel color. It's nice and long and elegant with big double pockets, and it's actually like nice and hefty to give me some nice warmth. I like to pop the collar over the cardigan just to give it that nice contrasting pop and just bleed the pattern on top of the shoulders. And then for jeans, I wanted to bring a little bit more summer into here, so I have my light wash, brighter color, high-waisted, ankle-length, skinny jeans to pair with this whole outfit. I just think it brightens it up a little bit more. I really think a cardigan like this you can get a lot of use of because it looks cute with nice light color things like this, but also great with like fall plaids and luscious holiday colors. So I'm gonna link a lot of affordable options for you guys down below in the description box and also the blog post in case you guys want to consider something like this for your wardrobe for the upcoming season. Okay, so lastly, of course, we got a cute little handbag. I've been really into very structured handbags, so something that this circle handbag is so on trend. Outfit number 2, if you guys are not into pants or jeans, I love whipping out a great breezy midi skirt. On my lazy days, I normally don't dress up like super cutesy and sexy. I like to just be very comfortable, so something that's loose and flowing, and skirts that are pleated give you even extra movement, so something like this just checks off all my boxes. I'm pairing this high-waisted, elasticized waist, polka dot pleated midi skirt with a very simple cropped white t-shirt. I wanted it to be cropped just so you can really see and accentuate the high waistness of the skirt. And then over that, I paired it with a super beat up, worn in, oversized denim jacket that you can drape over the shoulders or wear to give it just a little bit more of a rugged look. It is so soft. I think it's a great weekend or casual day companion. And lastly, I have a cute little handbag. This one, I'm using it as a top handle. It's kind of shaped like a shell, and it's got this like silk lining that you kind of tie all your things together, and it peeks out on the sides. I had a very popped out like bunny ears for some reason. It's normally not that crazy, but it just gives a little added touch. It almost looks like a cute little picnic basket or something. I love it. And then lastly, of course, we got the same Koolaburra mules. One thing to note is that it has a perforated upper and a really cute stacked heel. So I thought the dots in the skirt look really cute with the dots in the shoes. And also they're super cushioned and they're really great sturdy heel to walk throughout the day. Okay, outfit number 3, cozy casual fall vibes for these last 2 outfits. This one starts off with a great fall base layer, which is a stretchy thermal Henley. This one's extra special because it has little extra loops at the bottom, so you can make a cute little tie in the front. Anything with those contrasting buttons I think is so cute and just adds a little extra oomph compared to just a simple long sleeve t-shirt. Then on top of that, I have my military utilitarian jacket. It's warm but not too thick, so I think it pairs really nicely with a nice and cozy thermal. And then pair that with some dark rinse, stretchy, distressed skinny jeans. I lastly paired this with a big cognac color bucket bag. I think that this whole look is very like Madewell-esque, very laid back, casual, American fall style. And finally for outfit idea number 4, if you guys are not into wearing outerwear or don't want to fuss with layering, I love to whip out my super oversized sweaters. It is such a statement by itself. It gives it such an effortless laid back look. And it's a great option if you want to hide anything in your torso or butt crotch region. Like, you got that nice length to even wear it open as a tunic. So the one I have today is this beautiful like tobacco color. It has a turtle cowl neck with some big billowy balloon sleeves. And I did a little bit of a front tuck just to swallow a little bit of the volume for my petite frame. And it just drapes so cute. And instead of skinny jeans, I switched it up with a pair of cropped flares in this nice gray smoky wash with some extreme raw edge hems on the bottom. I thought that the flares kind of add a little bit of balance with the big oversized sweaters. Lastly, to make this outfit a little bit more posh, I have a very structured buckle, top handle, crossbody bag in this gorgeous croc embossed cherry color. I just think it's like, oh my gosh, that's a bag you'd see with like a really fancy outfit, but just bringing it into like a really casual outfit can just add a lot of extra zhuzh without any effort. Alright guys, so that does it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and just saw the versatility of my favorite pair of shoes. They look great with jeans, pants, skirts, dresses. It is such a neutral shoe that matches with everything, and whenever I travel and have a choice of bringing something, I always bring me a low heel nude mule because they look great from day to night and they're comfortable enough to walk in all day without changing my shoes out. So thank you guys so much again for watching and just being patient with me as I get back into the groove of things. Again, I've got all the details, sizing and pricing info down below in the description box, on my blog, and also in the Like to Know It app. If you guys want to check that out, I want to thank you guys all for always supporting me and being here for me through thick and thin. Have a blessed week out there. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye!